Hey everybody, welcome to our all new video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easy jumbo backyard Jenga set, guys. So stick around, I'm going to show you how. Guys, to get started on this project, you'll need some 2x4 lumber, you'll need some 1/2 inch plywood, you will need a pen or pencil to make your marks, a tape measure, a speed square, you'll need a circle saw or miter saw to make your cuts, you'll need a palm sander, and you will need a hammer and nails or screws with impact driver. In this video, I'm going to use 3-inch nails and 1-inch roofing nails. Alright, for your cut sheet, guys, you'll need 2x4s. You need to cut 54 blocks at 10.5 inches. That's right, 54 blocks. Then you'll need 2 at 14 7/8, 2 at 18 inches, and 4 at 27 3/4. And on your plywood, you just need to cut out an 18 by 18 square, guys. Guys, let's get started by building the frame part right here. So we're going to take our two 18-inch pieces of 2x4 right there, guys. Then we're going to take our two 14 7/8 boards, right? And you want to stick those inside just like this right here. You can see, make sure you line those up nice and smooth. Go ahead and get your other board put into place also, just like that. Make sure you line those up nice and neat, and go ahead and put your screws or your nails in. You're gonna put like 2 this way, 2 in this corner, 2 in this corner, and 2 going into this corner right here, guys. Use clamps if you need to. If you don't, you can just use your screws or your nails. I'm going to be using nails right here, guys. Got these 2 3/4 inch little galvanized nails right here, so that's what I'm going to be using. So go ahead and get your box put together. Alright guys, now that we've got the bottom base part right here assembled, right, this is going to be for your tabletop. Make sure you get it flipped over to the part where it was the most level where you had it. You know how wood can be, it can be kind of off, right? So make sure you got that facing up. Now we can take our 18 by 18 piece of plywood that we got right here, guys. Go ahead and line that up in all your corners, get it nice and neat and lined up, and then you go ahead and nail that into place. I don't recommend using screws because it can just split and crack it, make it look all crappy. I always just use these little galvanized roofing style nails right here, guys. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this nailed around by starting in like one corner and another corner, getting it nice and lined up, and I'll put maybe like one in the center, one in the center corner, and do the same thing all the way around, guys. So go ahead now and get your piece of plywood nailed down to your frame. Alright guys, now that you've got all of your nails put in around just like that right there, now you have the top of your table for the Jenga piece, right? So now what we're going to do is just flip it over just like that right there, and we're going to get our 4 legs put in each corner right here, guys. And we'll do that by shooting some nails in there, or you can use screws, but I'm just going to be using some 3-inch nails to put right in here on these sides. So stick around, we'll get our 4 legs put on. Alright guys, so now we're going to take our 4 legs. Those are your 4 27 3/4 inch pieces right there, guys. You want to make sure you have it so that your 18-inch pieces are this way like this, and it's 18 by 18, but you want your pieces to go in just like this right here to give it better stability. Now you could do it the same way, but you want to make sure they're all facing flat on one side just like that right there, or you can do it this way, doesn't matter, guys. So go ahead and make sure you start with one just like this, nail that, screw that into place, and then go around and do the other 3 also. Alright guys, now that you've got your table built for the game, now you get the pleasure of taking all that time to cut out 54 blocks at 10.5 inches, guys. Yes, that's right, we're going to need 54 2x4s cut at 10.5 inches each. So go ahead and get started on your 54 blocks, and then stack them up as you make them, guys. Go ahead and lay 3 just like this across your board. Make sure you get them nice and neat, and then as you get 3 more, you'll stack them different just like this all the way up, and you'll just keep going up with your 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 until you got all 54. So go ahead and get started on that now. All right, guys, there you have it. It is now complete. Got all 54 pieces stacked up right there as like it's a little game table to play off of the ground, guys. And when you're not using it, you can just flip over the table and put all the blocks inside of it and just push it into a corner against the wall somewhere, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace.